Hello students. You already know about graphical user interface of the Synfig Studio. Now we have to see the tools of Synfig Studio. We have to see in this video different tools that are available in your Synfig Studio. Clear for tools. Tools means all tools are available in toolbox. Can you see these tools? Now we have to see all these tools step by step. First tool is circle tool, an important tool. First tool is circle tool and it is important tool. Two important parameter of circle tool are center and radius. Circle tool, two important parameters of this circle tools are center and radius. Circle tool na important parameter. First is center and second is radius. First is center and second is radius. First of all we have to draw circle tool. Which tool? Circle tool. So simple, click on circle tool and draw this circle tool. Clear? Can you see circle tool? Circle tool has two parameters. How many parameters? Two parameters. First is center. Can you see center? And second is radius. Center and radius. Can you see center is in green color. Center is in green color and radius is in which color? Blue color. Clear? It is radius and it is center. Clear? A duck is a handle that is used to control some parameter of a layer. Duck means what? The small circle. Can you see the small circle inside the big circle? Can you see નાનું circle દેખાય આને શું કહેવાય? Duck. First duck and second duck. There are two ducks available. There are two ducks available in your circle. First and second. First duck is for center and second duck is for radius. Green color is for center. Blue color is for radius. Clear? It is known as duck. Why we are calling it duck? Because it is used to control some parameter of the circle tool, circle layer. It is used to control. આનો યુઝ શેના માટે થાય? કંટ્રોલ કરવા. કઈ રીતે કંટ્રોલ થાય? તો if you want to decrease your circle, if you want to increase your circle, then you can do it by using this radius. Clear? You can do it. Can you see it? You can increase your circle, you can decrease your circle by using which radius, by using which color? Green color, blue color. It is known as radius. Clear? Circle have two ducks. Circle have two ducks. How many ducks? Two ducks. First is in green color and second is blue color. Green color and blue color. MCQ પૂછા છે green and blue. Position of the object. If you want to change the position of your object, then you have to use green color. For example, I want to move my circle, then you have to use green duck. Which duck? Green duck. I want to move my circle from left to right side, then I have to use green duck. Clear? It is known as green duck. Second, if you want to radius, blue color, radius of the circle. If you want to increase your circle, if you want to decrease your circle, then you have to use blue color. Clear? I want to increase my circle, then use blue color. I want to change the position of my circle, then simply use which duck? Green duck. It is known as center and it is known as radius. Center is in green color and radius is in blue color. Clear? It is known as circle. Clear? Circle means what? If you want to draw circle, then you have to use circle tool. Second thing, circle have two ducks. How many ducks? Two ducks. First is for center and second is for radius. Center is in green color, radius is in blue color. Center means what? If you green color is used for what? If you want to change the position of your object, it means what? It may be anything. It may be all these tools, it may be a house, it may be a person, anything you can call it object. But in our Synfig Studio we have to consider all these tools as object. Clear? If you want to move from one position to another position, then you have to use this green duck. That is known, it is known as center. If you want to change, if you want to increase and decrease your circle size, then you have to use blue duck, and it is it is known as radius. Clear? And small circle, can you see it? Small circle, it is known as duck. It is known as duck. Clear? It is known as duck. Our first tool, that is circle tool, is over. Circle tool is used to draw a circle. In circle tool you can see the duck. There are two types of duck. First is in green color. Green color duck is used to change the position of the object, and second is in blue color. It is used to increase and decrease your object. It is used for radius and it is used for center. Clear? It is known as circle. Mind well. Duck, most important MCQ. Duck means what? Small circle. It is used to control the position of the, control the parameters of the layer. Control the parameter, it means what? આપણે એને control કરીએ છીએ, અને control જ કરીએ છીએ ને, નાનું કરીએ મોટું કરીએ. It means what? You are controlling your circle tool. That's why it is known as duck. And duck are two types, green and blue. Green is used to move your object and blue is used to change the radius of your circle tool. Clear? So our circle tool is complete. Second is fill tool. Second is fill tool. It is used in changing the color of the object. It is used in changing the color of the object. Fill tool. Which tool? Fill tool. Fill tool means, can you see fill tool? It is used to changing the color of your object. It is known as fill tool. Can you say it? Fill tool. Clear? I want to change the color. For example, I want red color. Simply click red color. Fill tool. Can you see? Red circle. પહેલા blue હતું, change થઈને red થઈ ગયું. It is known as fill tool. Which tool? Fill tool. Now, B-line tool. B-line tool means what? It is used to make object with any number of points and curves. It is used to make objects with any number of points and curves. Points, it means what? Point. And curves, it means what? Curves. It is known as curves. B-line tool. It is used to make object with any number of points and curves. It means what? You can create B-line tool by using any number of points and curves. It means what? આપણે circle draw કર્યું, બરાબર? તેમાં simple શું કર્યું? Click and drag. I want to create rectangle. So simply click on it. બરાબર? But in B-line tool, you can use any number of points and any number of curves. Clear? Clear? Now I am decreasing my circle tool. Now B-line tool. Can you see SP-line tool? B-line tool છે ને ઓલ્ડ વર્ઝનમાં છે ને ન્યૂ વર્ઝનમાં SP-line tool છે. કયું છે? SP-line. SP-line ને B-line both are same. Clear? નામ ચેન્જ થઈ ગયેલું છે. SP-line tool. ક્લિક કરો. Now create SP-line tool. It means B-line tool. Can you see the number of points and number of curves? You can create any number of points and any number of curves. But mind well, જ્યાંથી સ્ટાર્ટ કર્યું ને ત્યાં સ્ટોપ કરવાનું, નહીં તો આ ચાલ્યા જ કરશે. જો, it is known as B-line tool. Clear? Clear? હવે હું ભૂલી ગઈ કે મેં સ્ટાર્ટ ક્યાંથી કરેલું. જો છે, હવે આ એન્ડ જ નહીં થશે. It is known as B-line tool. Can you see B-line tool? So યાદ રાખવાનું, જ્યાંથી સ્ટાર્ટ કરો ને ત્યાં જઈને ઓવર કરી દેવાનું. એટલે ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ મેં અહીંયાથી સ્ટાર્ટ કર્યું ડ્રો કરવાનું, તો એન્ડ બી મારો એ જ પોઈન્ટ પર થવો જોઈએ. ઇટ ઇઝ નોન એઝ B-line tool. Which tool? B-line tool. Clear? It is used to draw with the help of mouse. આનો યુઝ કેવી રીતે થાય? માઉસથી. If you want to draw B-line tool, then you have to use mouse. Clear? Next is gradient tool. Which tool? Gradient tool. First of all, we have to create a new document. How can you create a new document by using file menu, or you can use ready-made tool, create a new document. Clear, simply click on create a new document. Now we have to see gradient tool. Which tool? Gradient tool. Gradient tool means what? Most important tool, huh? Gradient tool be most important. It is used to create smooth transition between two or more colors in object. If you want to use more than two colors, more than one color, then you have to use gradient tool. અત્યાર સુધી આપણે શું જોયું? એક જ કલરનો યુઝ કર્યો. Now we are using two colors. How many colors? Two colors. It is used to create smooth transition, easy transition between two or more colors in an object. If you want to draw object with more than two color, with more than one color, then you have to use gradient effect. Which effect? Gradient effect. And gradient tool both fine tool છે. Gradient tool means what? It is used to display, it is used to create smooth transition by using two or more color. Can you see? Toolbox, gradient tool. Where is gradient tool? It is a gradient tool. Can you see it? Gradient tool. Can you see? Looks like same like a rectangle. Can you see it? Gradient tool. Simply click on your gradient tool. There are four types of tool. There are four types of gradient tool. Can you see in tool option? There are four types. First is linear, second is radial, third is conical, and fourth is spiral. Clear? Gradient na કેટલા type છે? Four. There are four types of gradient tools are available in your tool option panel. First is linear, second is radial, third is conical, and fourth is spiral. Now we have to say it step by step. Gradient tool. If you want to use more than two color, then you have to use gradient tool. There are four types of gradient tool. There are four types of it. Gradient tool na four types. First is linear. It produces a simple transition in a straight line. It produces a simple transition in a straight line. It produces a simple transition in a straight line. For example, select linear tool. Which tool? Linear gradient tool. Now click on this canvas area. Can you see it? Combination of more than two color. Can you see the combination of color? It is a linear gradient. Which gradient? Linear gradient. Clear? Linear gradient. Can you see the parameter of gradient? The parameter panel. Can you see parameter? This is a parameter of gradient, linear gradient. Clear? So your first type of gradient tool is linear. Second is radial. It produces the circular colors with the transition being at the center of this circle. It produces a color with transition circular color. Circular color means what? Circle ma thase. Second type, radial. Simple click on this canvas area. Can you see? It is a radial gradient tool. Clear? मैं कीधेलू gradient બહુ fine tool છે. Second is radial. याद रखજો नाम. Linear. First is linear. Second is radial. Third is conical, and fourth is spiral. Clear? Conical and spiral. આ બધા કયા છે? ગ્રેડિયન્ટ ના ટૂલ. કોના છે? ગ્રેડિયન્ટ. કેન યુ સી? ગ્રેડિયન્ટ ક્રિએશન. ક્લિયર? ગ્રેડિયન્ટ ના ટૂલ્સ છે. ઇટ મીન્સ વોટ? આ 11th સ્ટાન્ડર્ડ સાયન્સ ને કોમર્સ આ આર્ટ્સ. ક્લિયર? સો ઓલ ધીઝ ટાઈપ્સ આર gradient types. First is linear. In linear gradient you can see the smooth transition. Second is radial. Can you see the radial transition in a circular form? Clear? Now third, that is conical. Conical has the appearance of looking down on a tip of the cone. Cone એટલે શંકુ આકારનો દેખાય. Conical has the appearance of looking down on a tip of cone. Clear? Conical, it means cone shape માં દેખાય. Clear? Can you see conical? Conical gradient tool. Clear, it is known as conical gradient tool. And fourth is spiral. Fourth is spiral. Spiral means what? Guchda vadu. Clear, spiral produces spiral gradient. Spiral means what? Spiral, guchda guchda ma dekhay. Clear, it is known as spiral gradient. Can you see? Spiral, it is known as spiral gradient tool. Clear, so gradient tools have four types. Linear, it means linear, simple straight line ma dekhay. Radial means circular, conical means cone shape, and spiral means guchdo guchdo. Clear. Now next, text tool. Which tool? Text tool. In text tool, if you want to write anything, then you have to use text tool. Same like as a paint. If you want to write something, then you have to use text tool. Clear, text tool. Next, foreground and background color. It creates the field and outline color for the object. Field color એટલે background color and outline color એટલે foreground color of the object. Background color ne foreground color, it is known as fill color and it is known as outline color. If you want to swap the color, then you can do it by using this swap. Clear. Now last and important, opacity. Opacity means what? The layer visibility is controlled by opacity. Layer visibility. Visibility means what? देखाई ते, visible के invisible. The layers visibility is controlled by opacity. Can you see tool option panel? Can you see tool option panel? In tool option panel, simply scroll down and can you see opacity? For example, I am create a new document. I want to draw circle. Clear, I want to draw circle. My opacity is, can you see, 1 1. Now I want opacity 0. I want opacity 0. Now I am drawing circle. Can you see it? No, I can't see it. Kem opacity 0 છે. Now I want opacity 1. Now I am drawing circle. Can you see it? It means what? 1 means visible and 0 means invisible. Clear? 1 રાખશો તો દેખાશે, 0 રાખશો તો નહીં દેખાશે. Visibility and invisibility. Clear? 1 means visible, 0 means invisible. યાદ રાખજો. Mind in well. Keep it in mind. 0 means invisible and 1 means visible. Clear? So all these tools are useful in Synfig Studio and it is your Synfig Studio user interface. Clear?